Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to another video here on the channel. If you don't know me, hi, I'm Tita and I'm doing a series here on the YouTube called Huge Room Makeover, and so this is the third episode of 4 and I hope you guys liked it. So in this episode, it's going to be like the finished decor, everything just put together, and also some DIYs, so I hope you guys enjoyed it.
I should've stayed at home, 'cause right now I see all these people that love me, but I still feel alone. Can't help but check my phone. I could've made you mine, but no, it wasn't meant to be. And see, I wasn't made for you, and you weren't made for me, though it seems so easy.
So guys, it's 8 o'clock in the afternoon and we already put the wallpaper. Hang on, it's my mom. And now we're just gonna hang the shelf over here, just in the middle of this wall. And yeah, that's all the updates that you're gonna get. So it's almost 10 o'clock. So we hang the shelf and I bought these little lamp, and I already got this and this, so it's fine. And it's the wallpaper, looks very good. And I also had these when I was younger, and yeah, that is cool. For this DIY, I'm just gonna have these jars that I bought at Primark, and also these LED lights that are from Primark as well.
I was unimportant, you were just a friend. No one even noticed, we would just pretend.
What we're gonna do is we're going to paint some frames that I got here. The big ones are going to be hanged above my bed, and so I'm gonna paint it black. And then the little ones are just gonna be gold because I just want to put on the shelf. Also, first things first, before starting painting, what we have to do is to protect the surface that we are painting on, because we don't just basically want things to get messier. And also to test the colors that you have. So I bought black, white and green gold, and I test them out and they really just match of what they are selling here. So it's really important just to see if the brightness of the color and everything else just matches your wishes.
I might lose my mind, waking when the sun's down, riding all these highs, waiting for the calm down. Walk these streets with me, I'm doing decently, just glad that I can breathe, yeah. I'm trying to realize it's alright to not be fine.
finally, like, the project is out. I've been waiting just to share with you this whole bedroom room makeover, like on Instagram and everything, but I just couldn't because I wanted to make a video out of it, and I wanted you to see in the video first and not on Instagram, because then you will lose the interest. And it's finally done. So I hope you guys liked it. If you did, just give it a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe and turn the notifications on, because otherwise you won't be alert whenever I just post a new YouTube video. So that's it. I'll see you on my next video. The next episode, I don't know when it's going to be up, because the next episode would be like the updated room, because some things are missing in this room, such as a big green plant. But I just want to find the right things, so whenever I do that, I'll make sure to do like an update and let you guys know like the final result, the final result. And yes, I hope you guys like it, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!